Welcome to art class. We are going to be stamping our print blocks today for those of you that are done carving. If you're not done carving, please finish carving and then do some test prints to practice before you start on the final page. So we're going to use the colors that you've already tested and color your print blocks. I'm going to go ahead and color with the side of my marker, not the tip, because I don't want to mess the tip of my marker up. And I'm going to color as quickly as I can while doing a good job so I can get my colors on here. And I picked 3, which is probably the most colors that you should pick. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to keep them moist enough to print a good print. Okay, so that's the first print. So then I would go back and I would color those same colors in, going pretty quickly so that I can get a good print from my block. And I want to make sure that I turn this so that this corner is matching that corner. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to do a little, I kind of wiggle my hand around in a circular motion to press without moving the block. And I'm going to do a little helper here. I'm going to dot the center corner. Okay, so I'm starting to see my design radiate. So then I would keep going. Color my green using the side of my marker. And then turning that so that the dot's in the center again. Circular motions pressing down those. Nail that down. Okay, got another good print. And then I'm going to color again. And I'm going to make sure that that dot is in the center of my 4 squares again. And I'm going to print it for the last time. Okay, so we've got 1 radial, so then we're going to move on, and this is going to become our 2nd radial. This will become our 3rd radial. So I could keep going and doing the same thing. I'm not going to do all of these for you, but we'll do a couple more so you can see how this works. And then the center of this, make sure the dot's towards the center of this square. Roll. Okay. Same thing again. Okay. My dot is in the center of these 4 squares. Okay. So as you can see, it's starting to create this really cool pattern. So let's say you accidentally print it the wrong way, or it has a faded look to it. I will have on my desk a little container of these 1.5-inch squares, and then the yellow shelf or bookcase that is up by the windows has a container of glue sticks. You just need to get a glue stick, put the glue stick on the back, glue it down, and then you'll be ready to print on top of that, and no one but you will know that that was a mess up. Okay, I've had students have like 3 or 4 of those mess ups, and we don't even notice them once the prints are all done. Okay, be careful that you don't lose the caps to your markers as you're working, that they don't roll off the table and you lose the markers. Make sure you work to find them. Also, keep this outer edge clean as you're working. And just be careful as you're working so that when you get done, you have a nice quality image that you can mat and hang when you're all done. So I hope that you have fun doing this. Take your time. You don't have to rush through and get this all done today. You can work on this for a couple of days to make sure you do a good job. And we will meet back during our next class to continue and maybe even to finish up. So have fun and enjoy.